Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Get to Grips with video. In this video, we will talk about Microsoft Word zooming options. Before we dive in, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Zooming is the ability to adjust how much of the document we see on the screen. Microsoft Word has several ways for us to achieve this. The easiest way to zoom in and out is by using the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is the wheel in the mouse that enables users to navigate through content by rolling it up or down. Another way to zoom in and out is by using the zoom slider located at the bottom right corner of the window. Drag the slider to the left or press the minus button to zoom out. Drag the slider to the right or press the plus button to zoom in. The zoom percentage changes as we zoom in or out. In the View tab, a zoom command group offers several zooming options. When the zoom button is clicked, several zooming options appear. These options can also be accessed by clicking on the zoom percentage at the bottom right corner of the window. We can select which zooming percentage we would like to use or even input a custom percentage value. The 100% zoom option is also available as the 100% button in the zoom command group. Selecting page width zooms in a way that the document area fills the width of the window. This option is also available as the page width button in the zoom command group. Selecting text width zooms around the insertion point or around the text that we select. Selecting whole page allows users to view an entire page of their document at once. This means that the zoom will take place in a way that shows a page of the selected document page size around the area we are currently viewing. This option is also available as the one page button in the zoom command group. Selecting many pages lets users view multiple pages of the document simultaneously. We can select how many pages to see by selecting the display we want. For example, selecting a display that shows 2 rows and 3 columns will show 6 pages displayed in 2 rows and 3 columns if 6 or more pages are available. If not, a convenient display is presented based on a preference for an enroll-like presentation. This option is also available as the multiple pages button in the zoom command group with an automatic selection of the display. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss creating new documents in Microsoft Word. So make sure to check our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you then!